If you want to find winning products or just winning ads overall in the e-commerce space, one of the best places to look is the TikTok Creative Center. The TikTok Creative Center is by far my favorite research tool for new ad ideas. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use the TikTok Creative Center to find winning product ideas from current products that are being drop shipped, or from more established brands that are currently working extremely well, so that you can take those ideas, and again, whether you want to start a drop shipping product or whether you want to launch similar ads for your own brand and take advantage of the ads that are converting best, the TikTok Creative Center is a great asset that you're going to want to know how to use to research winning ads and top products. Now, before we jump into my computer, if you're new to the channel, my name is Blake Bauer and I'm the co-founder and CEO here at Jet Ads. We are a new age digital advertising agency for D2C brands, helping them grow and scale on all digital advertising channels with UGC, ad management, and more on a subscription basis, so you can pause or cancel anytime. So we're really trying to revolutionize the game, make it easy for you to get expert media buyers and expert advertisers in your ad account. So if that's at all interesting to you, there's links where you can go and find out how to book a call with myself and my team to learn more. Now let's go ahead and jump into the TikTok Creative Center and let me show you how to find some winning product and ads. All right, so here we are in the TikTok Creative Center. If you're not familiar with how to get to this dashboard, literally just search TikTok Creative Center. It's gonna get you to log in, and then you're gonna be brought to a page that looks like this. Now, right now we're under the Inspiration tab, and we're looking at the top ads dashboard. And this is the first place I'm gonna recommend you to look. It literally just has the top ads, and all I would recommend you do is just do some different filtering that we're gonna do right here to find top ads across a range of different industries based on what type of product you're trying to target. So for the most part, this is the only page you're going to need to know how to use. You could find pretty much everything that you want here, but I will show you some alternative ways to find different creative insights like top products later on in this video right here. So starting out in the Explore on TikTok section right here, you can see I just have the United States right here, last 30 days. And this is just sorted by For You. And this is the first place I would say is a really great way to find winning product ideas, as well as top performing ad ideas for you to use. And so you can check out any one of these right here.
Zodiac sign couples. And we're using the Nebula app to check. Starting off, I'm an Aquarius.
Right, so that's for the Nebula app. So it kind of shows you a really great way to get a hook there. And you can see 445,000 likes. Really, really great inspiration for any kind of ad that you want to do here. So you can scroll down, you can also have this one.
Homies, you want to see something crazy? Watch me go from this to this. Exhibit A, Exhibit B, maybe D. One more time because it's just too good. Nicole Delos Reyes, Alex Earl.
Right, so there you go. There's another idea of an ad idea for a women's clothing line, right? And it kind of uses that UGC example. And pretty much all TikTok ads are going to use some type of UGC, but tons of really great ad ideas right here. Now, let's say you want to go a bit deeper onto a specific industry, right? Maybe you have a general product store and you want to, when you're drop shipping, you want to test different products, right? What I'd recommend you to do is go to industry right here and sort by the industry of your general store that applies to the products that you want to sell, right? So maybe for you, you are maybe you're a pet brand, right? And so you want to go to pets right here. And then maybe you want to go to, you have pet treats, pet toys. Maybe you're a pet toy brand, you want to see pet toys. So I'd recommend you to set that industry and go and look at this, right? And you can do objective right here, but honestly, I wouldn't say this is necessary. Just look at the top ads here by all objectives. Just change this to English and then ad format. I would leave this and I would leave this as well. And then just look at all these different examples in this industry in the United States. The United States is going to be your best bet unless you're in a different country that is a little bit different. But look at this one, for example, right? So this cat obviously likes this little toy here, right? It's just a product demo. And so a ton of different ways that you can get ideas for winning products right here. And you can see, based on this right here.
And I wish I knew about this sooner.
This is the flying saucer ball. It pops.
Right? And so based on this, you can see how many likes they have, what percentage in terms of click-through rate they are, and then the budget that they're putting behind it. And the best indication that a product is doing really well is it has a high budget. So I'd definitely recommend looking at that. And then also what you can do right here is go to conversions, boom. And then you can sort by conversions here as well to get an idea of just how well these ads are doing. And they're all running for conversion. So these are going to be more product focused ads. Now, the next thing you do to find out how well this ad is actually doing is drilling down into the actual ad itself. So let's say this cat ad we want to look at and see the analytics on this. What I would do is save this along with some other ones that I want to take a look at. So if I go ahead and click save, I'm going to click on D2C brand ideas number 1. You can easily create a new collection here. Maybe you're looking for winning product ideas 1, right? I'm going to go boom. So I'm going to save this to winning product ideas 1. I'm going to go ahead and add that in there, and maybe I want to add this as well. Okay, awesome. And then I'm going to open up this ad right here and just take a look at the analytics a little bit deeper to see how this product is doing. So it's going to show me the region that they're targeting, the industry, the brand, and then we also have the landing page right here. So if I open this up, okay, I can see that this URL is not working anymore. So I guess they went out of business. So maybe some indication there as far as how well that's doing. But what you can do is look at the conversion rate right here, the clicks, the total number of conversions, and like how well they retain people over time. So this one has about 22% of people are watching all the way through to the end. And the conversion here, so it gets a lot of people that first 1 second, and then a lot of people in the first, by the end of the video, that's where most of the people are clicking over from the actual ad. So then you also have clicks right here. So you can see most people click once they've watched the entire video. And then you have your conversion rate measures the percentage of conversions created, such as follows at every second of the video. So this has 100% of the conversions, people watching all the way to the end. So it gives you somewhat of an insight there. The biggest thing being the click-through rate as far as how good this ad actually is. And so the end of the video, again, 100% click-through rate, very solid ad. And so you can check out this other one right here too. You can check out the landing page right here to further research this product, see if it makes sense for your brand, maybe give you an idea of what they're doing right here. So you have this landing page right here, the Mighty Chew toy. Right? And so you have all these awesome reviews right here. And this looks like a really solid product.
This is the only indestructible toy in the world.
Stop. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it. I want it. I got it.
Yeah, so that's a really cool ad idea, right? They're trying to cut it. It's like it's actually indestructible. So that's pretty awesome. So, and then it gives you some video analysis right here too. Product demonstration, attention grabbing. It shows you the click-through rate, people watching all the way to the end. Again, the conversion rate, right? After pretty much 7 seconds, some people click through, and then a lot of people click through after 100%. Again, same thing there. And then the conversion again, same thing. So this is the first way I would say is a great way to research winning products. So let's go back. Okay, that is the first way, right? Researching by industry based on your products, right? Next thing that I would do is keywords, right? So I would look up keywords related to your products. So let's say you sell cereal and you want to look up different cereal brands that are, selling and advertising on TikTok. You can totally do that. Just come into here and click on cereal and just search for that. And so Magic Spoon is a really big brand, but you can also just see all these other different brands, right? So this is by Magic Spoon right here.
Cereal the Magic Spoon just sent me. Oh my gosh. I bought Magic Spoon from health influencers for the past couple of years now, and I've just never gotten around to trying it.
Yeah, so obviously they have this ad right here, ton of different stuff. They have Fruity Pebbles, like literally you can just look at cereal ads, right? And there's only so many here, and then it'll kind of get into some other stuff with the word cereal in it, but you can keep on going and just find a ton of different ads related to cereal. Again, Magic Spoon is going to be the biggest one when it comes to new age D2C ads in this space, but you have Honey Bunches of Oats as well. Again, a great way to do some product research using keywords. And then the other one is hashtags. So TikTok made me buy it is a great hashtag to use. So that's another one you can search up right here. These are usually type of like drop shipping products. And this is one of the best ways to find new products because they're so unique, and it's usually a great way to find like winning products for, drop shipping specifically or something along those lines. So you can look right here, like for this one,
Want
for
to
example.
spice things up with my boyfriend. Hope he'll respond. Oh.
Yeah, okay, so interesting product though, right? Gets you to click, and you can see top 7%, very high budget on this. And there's a ton of like little gadgets, little products right here that are all like TikTok made me buy it. So these are all literally winning products right here. And the biggest thing that I would look at right here is again, the budget. You want that to be high. And then what you want is the CTR to be ideally in the top 10%. So like this one, for example, is in the top 3%. So that's how you know that this is a really strong ad, and the budget's usually high. This one is top 63%, only has 3 likes, so not very well proven, and the budget is low, as you can see right here. So likes, as well as CTR, again, being in the top 10% at least, or below that, are what you want to look for winning, for signs that you have a top product on your hands. So this one, for example, where you turn that on, looks pretty cool, right? And that's all that ad is, right? And it's 4K likes, top 3%, right? Really, really great. And that's a great product, is literally just showing it, and it does the selling itself. So definitely a winner right there. And so that's one of the best ways that you can find winning products as well. And lastly is another keyword that you can use, which is free shipping right here. You can easily do this. Every product that offers free shipping, typically it's, you know, winning product, or it's all just like product based. So you can find a ton of different products here as well that have the free shipping keyword in them as well. And just go through this and again, use that same kind of filter by likes, by budget, and by CTR being in that top 10%. And you'll find a ton of winning products here as well. All right, so the next approach, you can use the TikTok Creative Center. You have your ad spotlight, your keyword insights, creative insights, and top products. So I'm gonna quickly run through these. So you have your top ad spotlight right here. So this is one where you can just see some really awesome ads. And again, you can filter this by industries. So if you wanna see the top apparel ads right here, you can see how many likes that they've gotten. And these are all like really, really strong ads. And so this is a great way to see, again, just like the best ads in a certain industry. There's only so many here though. So this is just a great place to find like the actual top of the top ad. For example, this one.
$60 for shorts that do this? Or $12 for shorts that never drop your phone? Yup, Fabletics has any short you could want for $12 with crazy clutch pockets. I have the one short with zipper pockets and then the fundamental short with the hidden liner pocket. I swear, once you buy these, you're never dropping your phone in the gym again. But these ain't just about the pockets. They're super stretchy and lightweight, so you're never gonna be all restricted at the gym. And yes, that includes the waistbands. They won't be pinching you or nothing. And if you haven't tried line shorts in the gym, you'd be surprised how...
Right, so that's an example of an ad right there. This guy's obviously crushing it, filming this video, 50,000 likes, top 20% in terms of click-through rate, super high budget on that. And, you know, this kid just looks like he created that entire video himself. So really, really cool there. You also have your keyword insights right here. So as far as this goes, you can check out different keywords like free shipping right here and then go to details and related videos. I don't like this method as much because, yeah, it's just a little bit like too cluttered in my opinion. Like it's just a little bit too much going on right here. But you can kind of browse through ad creatives like this as well. Kind of a different way to go through that. And yeah, you can sort again by industry and stuff like this and check out different words. But yeah, not my favorite way. Okay, and then you have your creative insights right here. So this one is mostly for games, but they are coming out with an e-commerce section very, very soon. So I'd recommend checking back here. And once they have this e-commerce section, I think this would be a great way to look at some videos with good hooks, with good like creative patterns that you can kind of follow and emulate for your own winning ads and products. And then you also have top products here, which is the last one, which is a great way to find some new winning products, right? And so this is what you can essentially do. You're sorting by product categories and it gets a lot more granular here. So if you go to health, you can see like medical supplies, food supplements, and then you can also just see all these different product industries and categories right here. There's 25 pages of literally like product niches. And this is probably, again, a top tier way to find products. Like this has every industry you could ever imagine that you could want to sell products in. If you're dropshipping, if you're a D2C brand and wanting some inspiration for new industries or specific product ranges that you can offer, right? There's so many here. Eye whitening, you know, toothpaste, water bottles, sets, shirts, the list goes on and on and on. And so for example, if I go into coffee right here and I can kind of just see the popularity of that, the CPA on average, so the cost per acquisition in that industry. So it gives you a good idea of what you should be looking for. The overall cost, the impressions, likes, shares, comments, and boom, you can kind of just see that like this is the last 7 days, $74,000 has been spent on coffee related ads. In the last 30 days, about 624,000 US has been spent on coffee related ads. And then you can look at some examples of some videos right here as well and some hashtags too. So I think this is a great way to get some insights. And then the best part too is that when you go to find that industry, you have your performance insights and then you can do your audience insights right here to then see what are some audiences that you can target in TikTok ads, right? Using glasses and drinkware. So again, coffee, if you go to audience insights right here, it gives you audiences that you can actually target as far as in the interest section when you're creating ads. So the one that resonates most with coffee would be tea sets. You also have baby shoes, which apparently is super related to coffee. You have baby bedding, kitchen accessories, storage products. This is a great way to find untapped interest that you might not have thought of, like baby shoes for coffee, right? That actually sell really well to that particular audience. again, that you might not have thought of. And so this is a great way to get some insights for audience targeting if you already have some really good insights on your creative. So this is a great way to get some insights on what audience you should target if you already know what product industry and category you're going to be advertising to. Again, I'd really recommend going to this and figuring out what age range they're in, what are their related interests, what type of CPA you can expect, and what the click-through rate typically is in that particular industry. So there you have it. That is how to find top products using the TikTok Creative Center. I hope you found that helpful, and there's a lot there. I really recommend you going and experimenting and exploring the TikTok Creative Center yourself. But in my opinion, it is by far the best tool to find ad ideas and inspiration, as well as product ideas and inspiration. If you did enjoy the video, I really appreciate you subscribing to the channel. I post a lot of content on here related to advertising and overall growing D2C brands online with digital advertising. So subscribe if you want to check that out, and leave the video a like if you did enjoy. And until the next one, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll catch you very, very soon. Peace.